Hello guys, I'm back again, your Kuya Shinops. Do you want to spy your family or your girlfriend? Okay, on this video, I would like to share you this powerful spy application. By using this application, you can watch your children from school, or your girlfriend or your wife anytime, anywhere around the world. So if you are interested using this app, please watch the video till the end and learn how to spy your family or your girlfriend remotely. This is a very special application, especially to our family safety. So are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, before we start, I want to recommend this application to all the seafarers or seamen like me who always away from home. Just like now, I'm going back to my work, to the ship, so I'm far away again from my family. That's why I'm using this application for the sake of them. So to avoid wasting your time, let's go to the top 5 useful function that you really need on this application. So number 1, IP camera. So on this function, you can use this application as surveillance camera of your property or your home, or IP camera for the safety of your properties by using sound and motion detection. Okay. Number 2, remote camera. This powerful spy application can also remotely open the phone camera of your family undetected. So you have a chance to watch them, what they are doing, anytime, anywhere around the world. Number 3, remote microphone. This application can also remotely activate the microphone of your family to listen their conversation or to listen the sounds in their surrounding. Okay, number 4, buzzer. So if your phone is missing, you can track the location of this phone. And if you are close enough, you can remotely activate the buzzer even the phone is in silent mode. So you have a chance to find your lost phone. Okay, number 5, the last one, and the best function that I really like on this application is GPS finder. So using this application, you can locate your family using GPS finder, and at the same time you can track and at the same time it also record the location history of your family. So wherever they go, you always know. You can watch them anywhere, anytime around the world. So how it works? First, you must be connected to the internet. Next, number 2, create a new Gmail account and do not use your official account. This new Gmail account will use to receive location history of your family or your loved one. So even if you're offline 2 days or 3 days ago, but after that, when you're going back to the internet, you can watch all the location history of your family because of this email or Gmail account will receive all the location history of your family. Okay, number 3. Go to Play Store and search for TrackView Viewer. And then click install to install this application to your phone and also to the phones of your family. So if you really need this application, please watch my full video tutorial how to use TrackView by simply searching these keywords. Kuya Shinoops TrackView, or click the link below on the description. So that's all guys. I hope you enjoy on this video, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button to help my YouTube channel grow. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time.